To determine if you have an INL or an INL clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it's present, you have an INL clone arm. If it's missing, you have an INL arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge blade on an INL clone arm. Locate the buttons on both sides of the adapter. Squeeze buttons and flip open the cap. Next, to remove the adapter cover, hold the wiper blade with one hand and remove the adapter cover with the other. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Locate the tab on the back of the adapter. Slide over the tab on the arm, ensure the adapter is engaged, and rotate into place. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge.